Hey guys, so today I am back with my first YouTube video on this channel. So today I'm going to show you guys a slime package that I got like just 1 hour ago. So yeah. So some of you might not know me, so I'm going to introduce myself. I am Isabel from the Gymtastic team. I have another YouTube channel. It's called Isabel Hong, my full name. Go check that channel out. So right now, I'm going to go with the package. And before we get started, please subscribe. The subscribe button is down below, the red box that kind of looks like this. Give this video a big thumbs up if you like it. Comment down below what video should I do next in my next week videos that are coming up soon. So yeah. So we're going to get started onto the package and I'm going to open it. Let's see what's in it. So this is the package. It's like, yeah, this is the package. Just plain old white. And I just crossed out my address and her phone number and everything. That's important. So, yeah, let's open it. And where do I put my scissors? Oh, here are my scissors. I'm going to use my scissors to cut it open. So, wait. Yeah. Really hard to open. So, okay. I had opened it. And here goes the first peek. And yeah. Okay, guys, wait a minute. Okay, guys, I am back. And so, yeah, you got the first peek. So let's go. I'm trying to find a note. So, I found it. I got 2 notes. Okay, so this one first. It says, thank you for shopping at slimelover4.com. And it says, hope you enjoy the package and extras. Yeah, that is the thing. I don't know if you can read it, but. Okay, let's go on to my invoice. Invoice is clear slime for $3, blue slime for $2, and jumbo slime. I think my jumbo slime is clear too. But yeah. For $8, and extras is tiger pencil, twin pens, and wallet. Yeah, so. Okay, so let's go on to the slimes. And I'm really excited because I think this is not the worst. I think this is the best, but I don't really know. So let's go. First thing I pull out is my blue slime. Yeah, my blue slime. Yeah. And okay, this is bad. I mean, it's like not that bad, but like, ew. Gross. Okay, guys, so I'm back. My dad was just there, but yeah, that was icky. It's disgusting. I think it's made out of toothpaste. Why would anybody make slime with toothpaste? I mean, that's weird. Next thing I pull out is this one. I think it's my clear slime for $3. Okay. So it's ew. It's like on the covers, if you can't see, but it's clear slime, so. Okay, so I get it, but this is the thing. This is jiggly slime. This is jiggly clear slime. It's sticky and it sticks to your hands. Ew, look at that. Ew, I mean. So this was a fail slime. Ew. Gross, guys. Ugh, let's go on to the extras, and if the extras are good, I mean, I hope they are. First thing I pull out is a wallet. yeah, my wallet. You can see that. Okay. Next thing I pull out is my tiger pencil. It doesn't look like a tiger to me. It kind of looks like giraffe, but yeah, I like it. I thought it was like gonna be cool, but last thing I pull out is some two pens, and this is how it looks like. So yeah. Oh my god, something wrong. Okay, something's wrong with my camera right now, but yeah, so look at these. Look at all that, guys. All that. Just telling you, I'm making this video with my laptop, so this is my new channel, everybody.